That statewide stay-at-home order starts tomorrow at 5 p.m. The order was issued by Governor Ivey this afternoon. The order requires people to stay at home at all times and only allows folks to go out for health care, food, and critical work, along with a few other things. More than 30 states have implemented a stay-at-home order. The order will be in place until 5 p.m. on April 30th.
But the stores will be required to institute more stringent rules to keep a safer number of customers from shopping at any one time. And if they don't, there will be consequences.
Here are some things you cannot do. Do not be around groups of 10 or more people. Do not be closer than 6 feet to anyone, and do not hang out in public spaces. Things you can do: travel only for essential activities. Those include groceries, car repair, to and from work, and religious reasons if the gathering is smaller than 10 people. You can also go on walks and runs. You can see the detailed list on our Rocket City Now website.